Hello everyone, welcome to Chemspires. In this video, we'll look into the question number 2.1, that is book back exercise from NCERT chemistry textbook chapter 2. The question goes like this: calculate the number of electrons which will together weigh 1 gram. So let's solve the first subdivision first. So they have given that number of electrons is to be found which totally weighs 1 grams. So let's write 1 electron is 9.11 into 10 power minus 28 grams. That is mass of 1 electron. Then I'm just writing the reverse of this above one, that is 9.11 into 10 power minus 28 grams corresponds to 1 electron. Then 1 gram corresponds to how much electron? Let's take this 9.11 into 10 power minus 28 to the denominator of the other side. So this much electrons are there in 1 grams. So let's simplify 1 by 9.11 into 10 power minus 28. So this answer will be 0.109 into 10 power 28 electrons. So this much electrons are there in 1 gram of the compound. So let's write it better way, that is 1.09 into 10 power 27. I have just moved one decimal to the right side. So we can write that 1.09 into 10 power 27 electrons are present in 1 gram of the electrons. So let's see the second subdivision. So second subdivision goes about like calculate the mass and charge of 1 mole of the electrons. So we know that mass of 1 electron is, I have already written that 9.11 into 10 power minus 28. Sorry, I have missed minus here. So mass of 1 electron is this much grams. So then mass of 1 mole of electrons will be equal to 9.11 into 10 power minus 28 grams into Avogadro number, which is represented as Na. Now let's substitute the Avogadro number's value. So it will be 6.023 into 10 power 23. On multiplying 9.11 into 10 power minus 28 into 6.023 into 23, we get 54.87 into 10 power minus 28 plus 23, which is nothing but 54.87 into 10 power minus 5. So this is the mass of 1 mole of electrons. So now let's calculate the charge of 1 mole of electrons. So we should know that charge of 1 electron is nothing but 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. So coulomb is the unit of charge. So charge of 1 electron is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. So what will be the charge of 1 mole of electron? Charge of 1 mole of electron will be nothing but 1 mole, that is Avogadro number Na, into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. So let's substitute the value of Na, that is 6.023 into 10 power 23 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. On multiplying both terms, we get 9.64 into 10 power 23 minus 19 coulomb, which is nothing but 9.64 into 10 power 4. On taking the decimal 4 points to the right, we can get devoid of the 10 power term, so we get 96400 coulomb.